Use the following tips to manage your snoring. Many people are affected by snoring. Whether you are the one who snores or the one who tries to sleep when someone else is snoring, there is no doubt that it can be a big issue. But there are remedies and steps you can take to put an end to snoring. Use the tips from this video to put an end to snoring and regain your peaceful nights. If you are having issues with snoring at night, then alcohol consumption, sleeping aids that include tranquilizers, and antihistamines need to be avoided right before bedtime. The reason for this is because they cause your muscles to go into relaxation mode, and this can your airways to be limited. If you want to stop snoring, don't consume alcohol just before bed. While alcohol is okay to have with dinner or even later in the evening, if you have it just before bed, it will make all of your muscles relax, including those that keep your nasal passages fully open. You'll have less airflow, and you'll snore. If you want to stop snoring, don't drink that glass of warm, or cold, milk at bedtime. Dairy beverages can make your nose generate more mucus, which will block your air passages, which will cause you to snore. Drinking water instead will keep your nose from blocking, and will keep you from snoring. To help you or your loved one stop snoring during sleep, try using nasal strips. Nasal strips can help you open your nasal passages, which will help you breathe easier in your sleep. As a result, many people stop snoring when they use these strips. As already revealed, snoring is a problem that affects a great many people. It affects the snorer as well as their family members within the same house. Try the tips from the video above to put an end to snoring and to bring silence and restful nights back in your home. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.